nalaglag. Nahilo kami sa buhay.
Oo, nahilo kami.
Parang si Galema si bakla. Ganun siya. Bibidyohan ko kayo.
Maligam daw na yun.
Ay! Maaliga. Pari, ang init dun sa floor.
Ay, kailangan natin ng ano eh. Yung jacket for the phone na. Ayaw may minsan.
Kulit lang ko lang.
Gwapo na itong...
Nest bed.
Ano yung call nung ito? Kulit oh.
But,
Tinip niya. Number. So, kinonfirm ng caller. May mali na isang number. Sabi nung
Mga tomboy, oh.
parang tinanong niya ulit. Kinonfirm na naman. Tapos sabi ng caller.
Alex, sabi mo mula silent.
Ito, handang-handa ka na bukas.
Sabi ng voice word.
Silent.
Yes, I have confirmed.
What happened? What happened?
Ano nagkaintindihan?
How was it?
Yun ang prank call?
No. But what I got is like this girl calling another girl saying, your boyfriend was fucking me so hard last night. And the girl was like, what are you talking about? When you were at work at Starbucks around midnight, he took your blue Mustang and went to my house and fucked me real hard. It was like blue Mustang.
Wala ka. Sorry.
Wala kasi akin, pare. Ano? O, sige. Ito kaya blue Mustang.
Mustang eh.
He took a blue Mustang and went to my house and he fucked me real hard. Tapos the guy was with her girlfriend. Tapos yung caller, parang ano, tapos narinig ko nagsisigawan na sila, parang, I was not with her, I fucking took my car to your fucking girlfriend, ganyan. Ayos. Hello. I was working my ass off and you were humping someone. Oo, totoo. Pala sabi niya, why is your fucking girlfriend calling me through this fucking operator? Ganyan. Why wouldn't she call me herself? Ganyan.
First sa background lang yun.
Oo, tapos sabi niya,
Ano ka naging sa background? Ano yung ginawa niya?
side conversations, mga ganyan.
Arguing it.
Hindi naman. Oo. Tapos, sabi niya, so where's the fucking girl? Where's the girl? Ganyan. Sabi niya, I'm not allowed to keme. I'm waiting for a response. Sabi niya, at tell her to fuck herself, ganyan. Binabano nila. Tapos, nirelease na lang. Tapos, ang tagal din ng isang di na nag-respond. Nakakatawa pare sa toong buhay pala. Clint! Oh, crap, where's mine? Classified ads na yan, ah. Sobrang takot sa sa shadow pa lang yung pre.
Shadow pa lang yun, wala kang reverse.
Hindi, pero pare yung sa akin, nung siguro yung mga last 2 calls, ako yung pinag-hotkeys niya.
Hindi mo naman sinira yung ano lang.
Pero puro XXX yung ginawa. Hindi, Gob.
Wala mo ng triple X.
Wala mo na daw triple X si Jack to rest her fingers.
We're gonna do hot heat for XXX.
Let's wait for her to get it. Let's wait for her. Oh, crap.